Hey friends, very good morning. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe, uh, and not really venturing out if it's not really needed to go out. So please do ensure that you stay safe and do not venture out unless until it's absolutely needed. And if you have to go out, please make sure you use the required precautions, use the mask, and use your sanitizers, etc., in the right manner. So yeah, yes, my friend Pradeep tested positive. So this was in the, I think, second week of April, when he went out on the Sunday morning ride. Unfortunately, I could not join that particular ride. So this was, I think, he went out on Sunday morning towards Kolar, and yeah, usually late in the mornings, and while returning he had sugarcane juice on the way, and then followed by a watermelon juice, I think so. So that's all he remembers, in terms of a possible contact, right? So yeah, so and following which, about after 3 days or so, he started seeing the symptoms with respect to mild fever, headache, uh, tiredness, and all of that. So, yeah. So after that, it's not been great for him at home as well, because his family and kids also were um, infected with the virus. So yes, he's been on medication. He's been on rest for about close to 2 weeks now, and I did get a chance to talk to him sometime back. Um, he is feeling better. He is recovering, but there is still a lot of tiredness in the body, which I think needs some time to get normal. So probably looking at maybe another couple of weeks or so, until he feels better, and then we start our rides, provided the situation gets better um, in Bangalore. For what I know, a lockdown has been announced till first week of May, about 10 days or something, to break the chain. So I hope that helps. And that's something which is going on at this point. And yeah, so guys, yeah, not been able to ride my bike as well for last 3 weeks, except for the rides close by, if I need to absolutely go somewhere to nearby store or something. So yeah, so bike had collected quite a bit of dust, so I thought I will give it a quick wash, right? Many of you been asking me what is the right procedure to clean the bike, right? So you would not believe, my procedure to clean the bike is very simple, and I've just cleaned it a few minutes ago. So yeah, coming to the procedure, so it's very simple. I just use the domestic water pipe, which is there to water the plants. That's my home. So water the plants, and I just use that particular pipe to spray the water on the bike, on each and every part of the bike, and use a fine microfiber cloth to wipe it off. And it is recommended to do this in a shade always, for all the right reasons, because if you wash your vehicles in heavy sunlight, right, there is a chance that over a period of time the paint would start fading. So please do wash your vehicles in the shade always, and if possible use soft water and avoid hard water. And if you do not have access to soft water, like how I do, I don't have access to soft water. So what happens is, when you wash the bike, and if some water is left on any of the painted surfaces, you get these kind of round stains on the bike. So that's something you can avoid if you use soft water, and wipe it off almost immediately after washing the bike. So that's a simple procedure what I follow. I do not use any harsh chemicals or any kind of shampoos or anything on my bike. Yes, this is a regular wash, and I would not tell you not to use any kind of shampoos, or the shampoos which come with a wax content. You can use it once in a while, but it's not a daily thing for me, or a weekly thing for that matter. Over in a week's time, I prefer to clean my bike once in a week, and it's a purely home cleaning with plain jet of water and wipe off with a soft microfiber cloth. So that's my routine in terms of cleaning the bike. So yeah, so guys, bike has done about close to 7,000 kilometers now, and going good. uh, Soon expect sort of a long-term ownership review. I know 7,000 is not too long, but it's not too less either. So I will be doing a long-term ownership review on CV350 very soon. So yeah, I wish you all good health. Please do stay safe, and take care of yourself, your families. I wish my friend Pradeep as well a speedy recovery, he and his family, and we look forward to our upcoming rides um, when the time permits. So until then, stay safe, and of course, when we ride next time in down few weeks, expect a vlog with me and Pradeep. Thank you.